GitOps, what is it and how is it applied to running serverless WAF? Today, again, I'm joined by Mikhail Federer to discuss this. Hi, Mikhail.
Hi, Nick.
All right, so what is GitOps?
GitOps is a popular methodology to automate systems deployment. It bases on a few foundational principles, but two most important ones is that entire system configuration needs to be stored in Git, and the second one, every single change you make in Git automatically reflects to the running system.
Okay, how about you show us on the project? I know you can't wait to do that.
Yeah, I have this project open on my screen, and actually it is organized in the 3 stages. And all the stages are explained in the CI/CD file because GitOps uses CI/CD pipelines in order to actually deploy configuration to the running system.
All right, let's see it.
The first stage is Terraform. What it does, it actually creates entire AWS infrastructure to run your serverless WAF on top of it. It creates VPC, it creates subnets, security groups, and so on.
Terraform then creates the infrastructure and will need access to your AWS environment, right?
Yeah, exactly. So once you clone this repo, you give AWS credentials as a variables. So CI/CD pipeline can access and manage your AWS environment.
Oh, got it. Okay, nice. So you create the infrastructure with Terraform. What happens then?
Yeah, the next stage to create the container image with NGINX App Protect in it. So what it does, it takes a Docker file that is also located in this repo and creates a Docker image and stores it to AWS repository.
Nice. And I would assume you can modify it to your own choosing if you wanted to run a different operating system, for example, right?
Correct. So once you clone the repo, this repo becomes fully under your control and you can modify it in the way you want.
Nice. So I have my infrastructure, I have my image. What happens after that as the last stage?
Yeah, the last stage is actually deploys NGINX App Protect on top of serverless environment you've just created at the first stage.
Okay.
What it does, it uses all the configuration files that are located in the deploy folder, including NGINX configuration file that explains how NGINX handles traffic, and NGINX App Protect security policy that have all the features to inspect your traffic for security breaches.
Nice. And this is, I guess, the interesting part where within Git repository, I have my configuration. So it's easy for me to manage the lifecycle of the project and change the policy whenever I want to, right?
Yeah, that's actually a great tool because it allows you to version all the configuration you have and easy to roll back if you need. And also you can organize the way configuration files get deployed. For example, you can trigger review from the separate team. For example, once you change the security policy, your security team may review it before it gets deployed to the running system.
Nice. And you can automate the entire process. And as soon as that team approves the policy change, it automatically gets deployed into a running system. And you don't have to do anything, right? Because they essentially are the ones that are triggering the flow, the build.
Yeah, exactly. So the policy will go to the running system only once security team approves it.
Nice. Well, this is awesome overview of GitOps. I can see the benefit of being able to manage the configuration and the policy all in one place. Thanks so much. And let's go take a look at some tips and tricks and some best practices and rolling it out next.
Looking forward to it. Thank you, Nick.